Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's John Rambo. This is the first edition of Off-Grid Cooking with Rambo. So, got a little bit of bacon on. This is just a wood stove, not necessarily a cook stove. The only bad thing about using a wood stove, or probably any wood stove really, is the fact that it's hard to control the temperature. It makes it a little bit difficult. So you're going to have to continually move stuff. This is probably going to be fine for bacon, but it's so hot I probably ain't going to be able to do the eggs on it. I don't know. I might could do toast some bread real quick. Gonna need a pot holder probably. Let me see where I find a pot holder. Got a big leather glove for a pot holder here. This raid is probably not going to take me long to cook this bacon. It's starting brown now. Alright. I'm afraid that it might cook a little too fast. It's actually done pretty good here on the cook stove, on the wood stove. So in the grid down situation, you know, it's actually snowing here today, so we got a couple inches on the ground. But if you had to do this, you could. Me and my wife, we made pinto beans on the stove before. So it's doable. Alright, I'm going to attempt to do the eggs, but my predictions are going to cook pretty quick. So see what happens. My glove off here. Glove back on. I'll have to get these things off pretty quick. These cooking as quick as I figured it would, but you do have to keep it moving though. Don't stick to the pan if you don't. Got over here on the edge, it ain't cooking quite as fast here on this edge right here. Anybody don't know, these eggs did not come from the store, they come from my chickens. I got a couple of young hens I started in the spring, and they're actually laying here in the winter time, so. Woo. Got my finger there. Feel a little. Alright, now I'm going to attempt to make a little bit of toast on this thing here. I actually move it, scoot that a little closer to the center for toast. This is one of my favorite breakfasts because I can cook it all on one frying pan, the eggs, the bacon. I usually just stick toast in the toaster and be done with them pretty quick. But anyway, this is a fast little off-grid cooking session here. Down and dirty cooking session. So. Alright, here we go. Truly a meal fit for a hillbilly. If I'm home alone and nobody else is cooked for or whatever, this is what I fix myself. Bacon, eggs, and some toast. And like I said before, you know, I can do it all in the same frying pan, so minimal mess to clean up, and it suits me just fine. This is Rambo, and I'm out.